Are you ready for third-party data deprecation? Here are 3 reasons why you should double down on email newsletter and build first-party data while at it. Number 1. Get to know your audience firsthand. Gather first-party data and get a better understanding of their preferences, their behavior and their interests. With this information, you can personalize messages, recommend content and also show targeted ads. Number 2. Less competition, more visibility. Email newsletters guarantee a direct connection with your audience, ensuring that you're not a victim of social algorithms or search engine updates. MailChimp found out that an average open rate for media and news publishers is around 34%. Number 3. Earn more revenue. 2 of the most popular ways to earn revenue via newsletter is via ads and gated content. As subscribers sign in to receive your emails, you have a wonderful opportunity to show them ads that is based on their demographic, their interest as well, for that matter, which increases the chances for them to click on it and you to generate more revenue.